Well, it is that time to clean out the chimney once more. Inside, it was starting to seem like the draft might not be working very well. It's actually a nice day.
It is a nice day.
Beautiful day out. But it's not -20 out.
It is not -20, but it's still cold inside. We want to start a fire.
Yeah. We want to start a fire. We still need a fire inside.
Climb the corporate ladder, Richard.
I gave that up. We're going to need to fix some of this. Oh, yeah, it actually came off the thing. It broke.
Okay, cool. I could probably meet you somewhere. Wow. Okay. And this is why we video every chimney cleaning, because you never know what you're going to get. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
It ate right through it.
Oh my. Wow. And it's not, is it gummed up there in that part?
See, it's actually not terrible on the inside.
Yeah. Okay. So this was the one of the components, and it completely fell apart. We know this isn't the best situation for this. It's
Oh,
yeah. It's so hard though.
I know.
Do most people just do it like in the spring, right?
Most people don't have 8 curves.
I know. Yeah, you got one on the underside that I can see. It looks like you have a robot arm. Wow. Doesn't even look like
Metal anymore?
This is one of our metal pieces, and it.
Yeah, it looked fine 6 months ago.
Yeah, it was. It doesn't.
It disintegrated, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Feel how flimsy it is right now.
Yeah, I can tell. It's like.
You put your finger right through it. And look at this. This is how full this was.
I had a fear of that.
That's all that. I'm gonna go dump this in the fire down here. So that elbow is where everything was basically trapped.
Okay. That's what I was thinking. So that just fell apart.
Because all the water just comes right here and sits.
That other piece fell apart. That's fallen apart. I can see like holes in that.
Yeah.
Are you running to?
I don't know. That means that you got to clean out the chimney. So
I'm just worried I'm gonna buy the wrong components.
I am too. But there's a lot that still has to happen.
Yeah.
I got to break down the inside and the.
Mhm. Yeah, I mean I can do it. I'll just have to.
Yeah, I know. It's just we got to figure out
what all we need.
Yeah.
Because that's like we can't even tell what that was, right?
It was a flexible 90-degree angle.
How many? What is that? 2 of them or 3?
No, just one of them.
Just one?
Just
Just fell into 3 separate pieces.
Yeah, it fell apart.
Well, maybe when I'm doing the ridge vent this summer, I'll be doing the.
Problem is the chimney goes right through one of those purlins.
Those are all corroded too, right?
Oh yeah, I'll have to replace these. They're probably still okay, but I'm gonna just replace them.
Yeah, we'll have to do an inventory before I leave of the metal screws we have. I think we have a bunch.
I think we have those.
I really love those. I realized.
Self-tapping?
Yeah, when we were building the greenhouse in Oregon.
Yeah. I believe your concerns were valid about the status of the chimney and
Yeah.
it needed to be done.
Yep. That's not even in.
No. Let's take this color off too. I'm gonna have to replace this piece too. They need to go straight up and we're trying to angle it.
Oh yeah.
This collar is still okay. This collar is okay. I just got to get this off there.
Yeah, I can see what you're saying though right here. This is all eaten away. Yep. And now we just have to hope that they have these things in town too.
Yes.
Okay, I can scrub that.
That needs to get cleaned, and then this
That-
does.
Can you can take off the bottom of that, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna get that bottom out.
Okay.
I have to run to the store. You run into town and get another couple pieces of stovepipe and a couple more elbows. I hope they have them. The selection's usually pretty terrible. So I'm sure hoping that they've got something.
Between 3 hardware stores.
Yeah. While I'm in town shopping for those things, Amy's gonna continue cleaning out the pipes.
Yeah, that's a lot more smoother. Oh man, that's gucky.
Thank you, Liliana.
I got the door. Ow.
That's how much accumulated ash is in the chimney.
Oh man.
That's what happens when you have a...
We did the best with what we could do.
Yeah.
Because at the time we couldn't
We
get.
still had supply chain problems.
Yeah, we still had supply chain issues. So.
We still do.
Yeah.
So what I'd probably do is push all that stuff that way.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I'd knock it out the bottom.
Okay.
You should have a pretty clear shot.
Okay.
So you should be able to get... Because I took that top piece off.
Yeah.
So you should be able to get the whole thing with that scrub
Okay.
brush.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Why is that duct tape there?
That's just to seal the plastic to this thing.
So we don't
Is
have
it
moisture.
screwed in?
No.
I had my eyes closed the whole time I was doing that. I'm hoping that I cleared it all out. There was a little remnants I saw up top. I'm waiting for the air to clear so I can check it. Richard was able to find a chimney sweep. Woohoo! So I'm gonna try this. I might have to retire our makeshift chimney sweep. I'm gonna need a major bath under shower.
You got soot in your hair?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that went pretty well. You okay? Oh, honey. Do you need to go dress that?
In a little while.
No pizza party.
I know. I might have cut myself pretty bad.
Yeah. Are you gonna go clean it up?
Let me get this done first.
Okay. Our stovepipe's soaked in blood.
I gotta go clean.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Well, one of the things that happens on the homestead occasionally is you get injured.
That's true.
So now I've got my fingers all wrapped up with gauze. I cut it kind of bad. Probably have a centimeter long cut. I nicked a capillary or something.
Now there's blood all over the pipe.
Now there's blood all over the pipe.
Way to go, Richard. And the pizza party is canceled.
No pizza party.
You know, for that winter camping.
Yeah. Well, I want the redundancy.
Yeah, me too. Well, I know even today I was like, well, if we don't get this done, we might have to bring in the Mr.
Well, yeah, because that's what I was thinking.
little buddy heater. So Richard had to bend that pipe initially because our stove is not a true 6 inches. So he had to bend it to fit. Now he has to bend it back. Okay.
I think we're good.
Okay.
Because Home Depot doesn't sell wood stoves or chimneys or anything related to wood stoves anymore. So we had to go to Lowe's. And Lowe's didn't have stovepipe like this. They just had the insulated stuff, which eventually we'll put up there. But today, I need this.
Well, they didn't have any triple walled stuff,
They
right?
didn't have any triple walled stuff. They had single and, or they had double walled.
Oh, they did have double walled.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I was like, I didn't want to have to deal with that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're not there. Well, that went way better than last time.
Yeah, it did.
We still got to put the bottom on the outside triple wall junction.